I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by combining dry ingredients and activating yeast. This kickstarts fermentation and flavor. Mix 3 cups flour with 1 tsp salt and a tablespoon of sugar, then add 7g yeast to 1:1. 25 cups warm water around 110 degrees F. Stir until a shaggy dough forms. Gluten needs contact to develop. Once done, fold in 0.5 tablespoon oil if using, then let the mixture rest briefly. You want visible bubbles before moving to kneading so the bread will rise properly. You now develop structure. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes so gluten aligns and traps gas. This creates chew and lift. Once done, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and allow a bulk rise of about 45 to 90 minutes until doubled. This is fermentation doing its work. Punch down gently to deflate, shape into a loaf or round, and make sure to preheat a heavy skillet or Dutch oven on medium-low. Consistent heat is crucial for even baking without an oven. You finish the loaf on the stovetop by placing it in the preheated covered skillet or Dutch oven. Trap steam to set the crust. Cook on low heat for about 25 to 35 minutes, checking after 15 minutes and flipping if one side browns too fast. This prevents burnt crust and promotes even crumb. Aim for an internal temperature of roughly 190 to 200 degrees F. Once done, cool on a rack 20 to 30 minutes before slicing. If the center is gummy, underbaking is the likely cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.